When someone passes away, one of the first pieces of paperwork you'll hear about is the death certificate. It's not something most people think about until they suddenly need it, and often they don't realize just how important it is until the calls and forms begin. So today, let's talk about how many death certificates you actually need, where to get them, and how to make this process easier. Step 1. Understand why death certificates matter. A death certificate is more than just a document. It's official proof that allows you to close accounts, transfer property, and handle financial and legal matters. You'll need it for things like insurance claims, bank accounts, and Social Security benefits. Think of it as the key that unlocks all the other parts of estate and financial organization after a loved one's passing. Step 2. Know how many copies to order. In most cases, you'll need several certified copies. Every organization that requires one, like a bank, life insurance company, or government office, will often ask for an original. Photocopies usually aren't accepted. A good rule of thumb is to order at least 10 certified copies. You may use more or fewer depending on your loved one's situation, but having extras will save you time and stress later. Step 3. Where to get them. You can usually order death certificates through the funeral home, the county clerk's office, or your state's vital records department. If you're working with a funeral home, ask them to order several certified copies for you at the same time. It's often faster and easier that way. If you need more later, you can always request additional copies from your local vital records office. Step 4. Store them safely. Once you have them, keep the certificates in a secure folder or document box, somewhere you can access easily when you're completing paperwork. Avoid folding or laminating them since most agencies require clean, original documents. Having them organized now prevents a lot of frustration down the road when you're asked for one more copy. Step 5. What if you don't have enough? If you run out, don't panic. You can always order more certified copies. It may just take a little time. Keep a running list of every company or agency that requests one so you'll know exactly how many you've sent out. Losing someone you love is already difficult. Handling paperwork shouldn't make it harder. By understanding how many death certificates you need and ordering them early, you can avoid extra stress later. If you'd like a free step-by-step guide to help you stay organized during the first days after loss, you can download it at go2.lifeafteraloss.com/guide. Take things one day at a time, and remember, you're not alone.